Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd give you a brief update on where I'm at with the granny square that I found at a local op shop recently. I just couldn't leave it behind when I saw it. There's so much amazing work that's gone into it, and the colours that they've used here are just stunning. So I thought that it would be a nice idea to complete the project and put it back out there into the world. So I went on a relentless search to try and find this elusive, beautiful, multicolored, variegated yarn. And with all the suggestions that I received from all of you out there, I went to just about every yarn store in my town and then drove an hour and a half to another yarn store, and what did I find? This amazing 4 Seasons Marvel printed Baby 1 colorway. This is the elusive yarn that I'd been looking for, so I found it and I can finally finish this project. The next question was, what do I do with it? I think I decided to turn it into a lap blanket or a baby blanket and then donate it to a local charity. So I feel like it's come from a local area and it should go back to the local community and do some good out in the world. My next question now, though, is how do I finish it? You can see from the granny square here that the original crocheter has done 5 rows of the multicolored variegated yarn, then 3 rows of the white, then another 5 of the variegated yarn, and then they've done 5 rows of this navy blue. It may look black on camera, but it is actually a navy blue. So do I continue with that pattern and just extend it out till it's the right size and then do an edging on it? Do I make smaller granny squares and then sort of surround the granny square with those little granny squares and then continue on from there? Is there another option that I haven't thought of? So how would you finish the blanket? Would you do the smaller granny squares around the original square and then continue on with the pattern? Would you do a whole different design? Would you change the pattern and make it different? Is there something else that you would do to complete the blanket? Please let me know in the comments because I really appreciate all of your help. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.